Welcome back programmers. In the today's section we are gonna create the home assistant like Google Home Assistant using Python. This is the very simple way to create your own Google Home Assistant, or you can name it anything. I'm gonna name it Logan Assistant. So I'm using the Sublime text editor. In here you can use any text editor you want. Now before starting this video, in the previous video I talked about how to use the PyTTSX3 and speech recognition. So if you don't know these two API, so now go on the description and check out this video, because in the today's video we need to use these two library to create Home Assistant, because we are gonna getting the audio input from user and we are gonna output the audio input. So let's begin. This is part 1. In this video, first we are gonna see how to search something in Google and how to use the Wikipedia API to search something. So obviously first you have to do is you want to install these two library, Wikipedia and the web browser. Pip install Wikipedia and pip install web browser in your console, or link is in the description, or you can go in my site to download this library. My site is allinonecode.pythonanyway.com. Okay, so the first thing first, how to use this Wikipedia API in our console. So Wikipedia has a lots of function like wikipedia.search, wikipedia.page, wikipedia.title, URL, content, links, set language, whatever you need. So first let's select the language of our Home Assistant. Yes, you can make the Home Assistant in any language. Not any language means mainly top main languages. Okay, so like Hindi, English, French, etc. Okay, so let's say language equal to English. Now if you want to change the language, you can do it in here. Now first let's quickly use the Wikipedia. So let's say Wikipedia dot summary, and let's say first language. So you can see in our content in many languages. So let's say W equal to Wikipedia dot set language. Now this is just an object. If you don't want to use that object, you can do like this too. Now let's say language is EN. Let's save the program and run this. Python Home Assistant.py. You can see our program is successfully run. Okay, so now let's create this summary. Now what is summary? Basically summary means the data from Wikipedia. So let's say wikipedia.summary, and let's say I want to find the data of what is Mountain Dew. This is the random. I'm not advertising something. What is Mountain Dew? This is the random search. You can search it anything, and this data is gonna store in this variable, and let's print that data. You can see we got a lots of text in here. Too much text. Mountain Dew is a carbonated soft drink brand produced and owned by PepsiCo. So we got a whole information about what is Mountain Dew, but this is too much big. User don't need all information. User just need only 2 sentences. So let's try with 2 sentences. Here just pass the 2, and now let's run this code again, but in this time I'm gonna change the search and try to search what is Wolverine, because this is my favorite character. What is Wolverine? And let's try. You can see we got a whole of information. Wolverine birth name James Howlett. Logan and Weapon X is a fictional character appearing in American comic book published by Marvel Comic. I like this Wolverine and Logan's movies. So that's how you can search anything in Wikipedia using the Wikipedia API. So let's remove all of this stuff. But first let's change the language. Let's try Hindi. So I think the code is Hin or something. Let's try. Let's run this code. We got an error in here. Okay, so the Hindi language code is HIN, Hin. Let's try HIN. Save this code and try to run. Still we got error, but whenever we change the language into FR, let's try. So you can see it is running. We got a whole data in the French language. So I really don't know the documentation of Wikipedia and what languages support Wikipedia. So let's try for don't mess up these things. Okay, now that you know what is Wikipedia and how to use Wikipedia, now let's talk about web browser. So simple way, web browser search something in your web application. Yes, whatever web application are you using, it is gonna search something in that web application. Let's quickly try this. Let's try web browser dot open. Open is the function, and in this open function you have to add the URL of Google, because we want to search something in Google. Now if you wanna search something in other URL, so you can add whatever URL you want to search in here, but we are gonna use the Google search engine because this is the world biggest search engine in the world. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this and paste this in here, and let's say search equal to, let's say I want to search my website all in one code.python anywhere.com. Let's say I want to search this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pass this link in here using the app string. Now if you don't know how to use app string, just check out my previous Python series or just Google it. Now I'm gonna pass this search. So this is gonna search this all in one code.python anywhere.com. Let's try. I'm gonna save this file and run this code in my console. You can see it opened my Chrome and it is automatically searched this URL all in one code.python anywhere.com. So that's how you can search something using the web browser. Now let's change this search. Let's try to search Friends because I like Friends series. Okay, I'm gonna save this and let's find the Friends cast. Okay, and Friends cast. I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna simply run this code in my console. You can see it is redirecting me to, yes, we got all of the cast of the Friends. You can see Jennifer Aniston, Courtney Cox, Matthew Perry. Okay, all of the cast available in here. So that's how you can search something using the web browser. Okay, now that you know how to use the web browser and Wikipedia, let's create the Home Assistant app using Python in next video. Yes, this video is too big for now, so in the next video I'm gonna show you guys how to create the Home Assistant. And that is it for today's guys. If you like my video, just like it, comment me for the next video, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest update, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you guys in the next video, next interesting video how to create the Home Assistant app using Python. And don't miss the second part of this series because this is gonna be very interesting. So that is it for today's guys. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.